What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I got these pipes to fit this crazy Banshee trike that we're building. And again, this is a Yz250 with a Banshee motor shoved in it. If you missed the first couple of videos, you gotta check them out. I'm gonna put links in the description. Guys, I'm gonna take you from start to finish. I'm hacking these brand new pipes up from Toomey, getting them cut, put back together, and on this bike. We're also gonna cover the radiators, the cooling system, and Drew actually did finish this subframe up. It's looking killer. I cannot wait to hear this thing run with the dual exhaust. And let's get into the video. So this is a factory OEM gas tank bracket. I don't know if their mold's a little off over at Clark. They lined that hole up. One's not happy. So, instead of crying about it, I just made some new ones. I also gave it a little bit of a rise. So I'm bringing the tank up about 1 inch. So it's actually gonna kick the front of the tank up, give us a little more clearance for the radiators. Be sitting like that. You guys know I love making my own parts. I've got a little billet grommet right here. Goes into an OEM Honda bushing. Nice piece right there. Get it installed. On top of just getting more clearance right here, it actually brings the petcock up a little bit. Brings this line kind of equal with the top of the frame, which I really like. It also gets these shrouds up a little bit. Almost clears the pipe perfectly. I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming on the bottom and she'll be good to go. Get you guys a little preview of how the radiator is gonna sit. Lines up really nice. That even clears when you push it in. I'm gonna make a custom bracket to connect that radiator to that shroud. Looks killer. Best part is the forks don't hit. Just enough clearance. I'm gonna put a spout up and over. That's gonna go right up to that radiator. It's gonna flow up and over to the other side. Super clean. Running out of room on this bad boy, but everything's fitting really nice. Made a custom bracket that kind of went around the frame right there to drop the head back, get some clearance for the spark plug. Clears. Radiators are pretty much up and down how I want them. Not hitting the frame. Brackets, this is going to get welded. It's just mock-up for right now. Got some weld nuts on the bottom here. Pipes are looking real good. It's really just coming down to the clearance and fitment and just taking my time. You can see how the radiator's not poked above, it's actually flush. Top of the shroud. Still got some clearance on the bottom there. Looking really good, coming together. Plenty of room for this hose to come up here, up to the radiator. I'm actually gonna recut the Toomey symbol and weld the tag back on. This had to obviously get flipped to work, because on the ATV chassis, this would come way up and down, which would have never worked on a trike. In case you guys are wondering, these are brand new radiators off of a 2021 CRF 450R. Something I've had actually kicking around in stock, and this project was the best one to put them on. So this is going to get trimmed up and actually fit back in here. It'll look real nice in there when it's done.
Is that a subframe?
You're going to have all that? Hey, here you go.
Yeah, it's a little
It actually has a little nook for it to sit in. Yeah, fits perfect, dude.
Yeah.
She fits perfect. Oh man, that's exciting.
I love how they copied the steel frame with the aluminum.
It's identical.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah, that looks great. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, we're actually gonna have this thing torn back down, powder coated, then put back together. We're gonna get it started up and hopefully take it for a test ride. Definitely don't wanna miss out. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, and if you love two-strokes, definitely comment. I can't wait to see this Banshee 350 trike ripping, doing wheelies, and this thing might possibly be road legal. We will see. We'll see you in the next video.